Hello YouTubers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you different ways to make money on YouTube without YouTube AdSense monetization, or for YouTubers that have been demonetized. So here's one of my videos, and it is a review video. So that's a strategy where you review a product and then link to it from your video description right here, and hopefully your viewers will go down here and click and buy the product or services that you're promoting. And it can work for anything like Amazon, eBay, or products from Commission Junction, Share Sell. So there's a lot of affiliate networks out there. You can easily sign up and then link to products. And even if you don't make review videos, it doesn't matter. You can always link to just recommended products that you're using, whatever your video is about. If you make tutorial videos on cooking or whatever, you can link to knives, kitchen stuff. So those are just some examples. For this video particularly, I am reviewing a WordPress plugin, and here's the link. So basically you just add the link to the product here, affiliate link. And personally, right now I make about probably around over 500 on YouTube on with monetization and with these affiliate links. So let's see another example. This is a piano video, and here's how they monetize it. They may be using copyrighted music, so nowadays copyrighted music is being hammered all over. They're getting demonetized left and right. So this person here is linking to either their own website or as an affiliate. My music sheet here looks like an affiliate link. And then they also use a lot of donations. They also request for a lot of donations as well. That's one way to also make money on YouTube. Just ask for donations. Oh, actually that's the chat link. This is the donation link right here. And a lot of YouTubers I see uses Patreon and other kind of donation tools, or just direct here, PayPal. Easy, nice and easy. And even if you don't get monetization, YouTube partnership, you can still sign up for Finbit. It is a sponsorship marketplace for creators and advertisers, and it's basically free for creators. You just they will take 10%, which is, you know, okay. And these sponsorships are pretty straightforward. You either make a video about their product or services, or you have some kind of regular vlog videos and then just plug in their products or services, and then you discuss it with the brands, the companies, the advertisers, how to make the videos and stuff. But once you get big, you don't even need to sign up for anything. People will find you. The advertisers will find you and contact you directly anyways. But it's good to expand and have more opportunities. So that's just a few strategies right there. Affiliate links, or review videos, donations, link to your own product, services, or sponsorships. And you can do all of these without YouTube monetization AdSense. So when you start out on YouTube with 0 subscribers and very low views, you can actually already start making money just by having affiliate links and donations if you want. So you don't need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, because that can take a year or more to achieve, to get to the YouTube partnership. And on the way there, you can actually already make some money by making videos and linking to affiliates offer and donations, things like that. And sponsorship, you probably won't reach this level until you have a couple thousand or more subscribers. Well, anyways, I hope this gave you some ideas about some of the things that you can use to increase your earnings on YouTube without the YouTube partnership. Let me know if you guys have any comments, questions, suggestions. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.